Hey babes, wanna get those bomb polygel nails at home that last long and look classy? I'm gonna show you how to easily achieve those killer nails right at home. First of all, you will need all these manicure tools to prep your natural nails at their best. Today, I'm going to use this 150 grit file. You will need alcohol, a Dappen dish, and lint-free cotton wipes. Also, pH bond, nail primer, and gel base coat, top coat plus cuticle oil. Check the recipe here. I'll be using nail foams and today I'm going to use Polygel by Morovan. I'm using base products by Gelish. However, it's always better to use the same brand of hypergel, but I couldn't get Gelish Polygel at the moment, so I got Morovan's. I'm going to use this brush and a wooden stick as a spatula and Dolcii Sun Lamp. First of all, you want to cut your nails a bit shorter because long nails are not okay for the nail forms. You see these square corners of the natural nails. You want to cut them and make your nails a little bit rounder, not too much round and not too much square. You want them in between so that you can fit in your nail form. Just file and shape all your nails so the polygel doesn't leak from the sides. Next, you want to cleanse your nails with some alcohol before you push back your cuticles. It's always better to start with clean nails because safety is first. Just apply some of your favorite cuticle softener. If you don't have cuticle softener, you can use petroleum jelly, but you want to cleanse that with alcohol very well after, as you don't want any oil on your nails. Then gently start pushing back your cuticles. The white part that you see, keep your pusher at an angle and not flat because you don't want to dig under your skin. You want to scrape off while pushing back that white flaky skin you can see on your nail plate. It's near your skin around your nail folds. That white flaky skin is the cuticle. Nail products are not made to stick on the skin but on the nail plates, which is why we have to remove that part. It's not harmful to push back your cuticles unless you are digging under your skin, which is why I'm telling you to keep your pusher at an angle and not flat. Then clean your nails with an alcohol pad to remove the dead flaky skin that you have pushed back, and then begin nipping away that pushed back skin. Again, you want to keep your nipper at an angle so you don't catch the living skin. I prefer to nip away only the hangnails and any dead skin that is poking at you. Even after pushing back, there is still some flaky skin left. If you have a drill, you can use that. Otherwise, take your nail file and with its corner, you can lightly scrape off those flakes. You have got a clean nail plate, and this way your polygel will not lift for at least 3 to 4 weeks from the cuticles. See how it's coming off? It's totally safe to do. Just gently buff near the corners. Hold your nail fold like this and start buffing. Cleanse, and I'll be back after doing all my nails. So now, using my 150 grit file, I'm gonna buff and remove the shiny layer of my nail plate from left to right. No circular motions. You don't want to smooth it out, just create a texture so that polygel can hold onto your nail plate. Cover all the areas and being gentle, remove the shine. I use a matte top coat to show you how to do it because I can't buff my nails every day as I create videos. You don't use any product here. Brush off the dust, keep your working area clean so no dust goes into your products. Now cleanse your nails very well to remove all the oils Fill up your Dappen dish with alcohol and keep it aside. This is your slip solution. Take a nail foam and prep it. The tab is just for strength. Then kind of wiggle your nail foam to give it a shape and close the tips. Fit it on your nail and make sure the middle line is straight and aligning. Use something like a nail file as a guide to see if the foam is straight and not curving down or up. It should align with the down point of cuticle very straight. Once you are ready, close the foam and secure it around your finger. As now it's summertime, I keep my polygel in the fridge for few hours and it helps me to work with it. When polygel is little softer, we have to use too much slip solution to prevent it from sticking to the brush, and that way polygel becomes runny, makes bubbles, and it does not last long. This is how I keep my brush while working so it doesn't catch lint or dust from the table. It's better to use the same brand kit, but if you use high quality brands, they are mostly non-toxic and have great bonding properties and you are safe from allergies. But if you have a risk of allergies, always use the same brand full kit. Apply thin layers of base coat, kind of do massaging while applying base coat to ensure it's really attaching with the nail plate, because base coat is very important here to bond the polygel with the nail plate. You want to cure the base coat for 30 to 45 seconds. I'm going to cure this for 45 seconds. Before applying polygel, again check if the nail foam is still straight just to make sure. Then take a small bead of polygel and place it near the free edge on the nail foam. Dip the brush in alcohol and completely saturate it first. Remove the excess alcohol and very gently pat and push the gel. You want to attach the gel with the natural nail first to create a tip. Make sure it is covering the whole free edge. No gaps. Keep moisturizing your brush with alcohol, otherwise the gel will stick to the brush. Keep your brush a little damp and don't use too much alcohol. Don't use a wet brush as it will mix with the gel, causing issues like making it too soft and interfering with the quality. You have to be patient and work slowly. It's the only way to get those quality nail extensions. It's better to build your nail the shape you want. This way you retain the C curve, and with the C curve you can do thin nail extensions because it will be super strong due to the design. Plus you will have to do less filing. You can also pinch the end of the nail foams to make your nail extension more sleek from the sides. I'm adding another bead of gel to cover the rest of the nail. Gently pat and lead the gel towards the cuticle area. I would use the belly of the brush, but it keeps sticking to the gel, so I'm using the tip of the brush. Whatever works for you. If you use those dual foams, those polygel molds kind of foams, I find them a little messy as they sometimes don't cover the sides, make the nail thick underside and create bulk near the cuticles. I think this is the perfect way for nail foam lovers like me. You have control over the product and its thickness. When you reach near the sides, use the side of the brush and pat the gel for clean application and control. You want to press the gel very well so it doesn't lift. Don't touch the gel on the skin as it will make it lift. So keep a tiny gap near the cuticles. You want to keep the middle point high where we say it is the apex. The apex ensures your nail is strong and doesn't hurt. Add a little bit of gel and build this part. Keep it high. If you use this much polygel, you can cure it for once, but if using thick layers, make sure to cure each layer separately for 60 seconds. I'm patting the sides so I don't have to file and shape the side walls too much later on. Once ready, cure for 60 seconds. Now remove the nail foam. See how it is thin and has a C curve. There is a thick apex, practical for this length. The surface is sticky, so cleanse this with alcohol. I'm gonna do the rest of the nails and come back. You wanna file and shape the side walls by keeping the file straight and not the underside, if you know what I mean. Keep the file straight and file the sides. This is what gonna give your nail a shape without taking off the C curve. I'm doing a sleek square shape today, which looks so aesthetic with the white color of gel. Then you want to file the surface of the nail, like wrapping from the sides to the middle. Lightly file near the cuticles. Go faster when you are comfortable. You want to do the sides and keep the middle high. Then file the underside of the nail like this by keeping the file at a straight angle. Don't touch the file with skin to avoid burns. I shape the free edge like this to get a perfect straight tip. Make sure both sides are balanced. Lightly file the surface near the free edge without touching the apex. It's the high point. This is optional, but spraying alcohol and brushing nails remove any trapped dust in gaps. And then apply the top coat. Cure this for 60 seconds and finish with cuticle oil. Do me a favor and subscribe to this channel so I keep making more videos like this for you. I'm in love with these extensions. They really give my hands a touch of soft glam. Bye bye and see you in the next one.